Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Sublime Text on Windows and how to use it. So first let's download it. So we need to type Sublime Text. Now let's go to this first link. Now let's click on download. So here I will download it for Windows, that's why I will click on this link. Now I have to save this installer on my computer, so I will save it on the desktop. And here, as you can see, I am downloading Sublime Text 4. Now the download finished correctly, so let's go to the installer. So this is it, so let's run it. So this is the suggested location where to install Sublime Text, so I will accept it, then I will click next. And then let's click next. Then let's click install to start the installation. So the installation finished correctly and it was very fast as you noticed. Now let's click on finish. Now let's create a shortcut of Sublime Text on the desktop. So let's go to the location where it has been installed. So let's go to the C drive, program files, then Sublime Text. And here we have this executable file which allows us to start Sublime Text. So let's make a shortcut on the desktop. Now let's close this folder and let's use this shortcut to start Sublime Text. Now in this window we can create a new file. So to create a new file, let's click on File, then New File. So this file has been created, so let's save it. And here I will save it on the desktop into a new folder. So I will call this folder First Project. And I will call this file readme.txt. Now let's click on save. And here let's write some text. So to save this file, we can either click on File then Save, or we can click on Ctrl+S. So let's save it. Now let's close it and let's open a folder. So to open a folder, we can click on File, then Open Folder. Then we can select the folder that we want to open. So if we want to open this folder, we have just to select it, then select folder. Now the content of this folder will appear here. And we can add new files. So to add a new file, we can either click on File then New, or we can make a right click then New File, and I can save this file. So let's click on Ctrl+S and I will call it mainclass.java. Now let's write some Java code. And as we can see here, we have syntax highlighting because Sublime Text recognizes the Java language. Now let's add the main method. So I will type main, and Sublime Text allows me to hit enter to complete the function. So if I hit enter, as you can see, the function has been completed. Now let's add the system out println statement. Now let's save this file. And as you can see, it is already available under this project. Now let's close this file, and to close this project, we have just to make a right click, then remove folder from project. Now to open the folder again, we can click on File, then Open Folder, and the folder is available on the desktop and it is called First Project. So let's select it, then let's click on Select Folder. And as you can see, it has been opened in this Explorer. So if I click on the first file, it will be opened. If I click on the second file, it will be opened as well. Now let's close it and let's close this folder. Finally, thank you very much for watching and please subscribe to the channel.